I have the most unique listing coming to South Austin on almost half an acre with a pool and an attached casita. This is a chef's dream kitchen with butcher block countertops and a custom gas stove.